Welcome to 21 Minute School. We just started a series of tutorial on Java programming. In the previous lecture, we learned how to install Java into our machine. And in the second tutorial, we learned how to install Eclipse IDE where we can write our Java programming code. And today we are going to write our first programming in Java. Welcome once again. You are in an exciting journey and we are working together really hard and smart on Java programming. So what we are going to do, actually we are going to learn some very exciting tutorials on Java programming. We will be learning basic programming and we will also push our source control with Git and GitHub, and we will look into the matter very deeply on object-oriented programming, and we will also look at exception handling, data structures, and collections frameworks. And also, we will look at the algorithms, introduction to computer programming or computer science. And our approaches will be, first we will look at the concepts or conceptual, and we will also do a lot of practical task, so it will be really practical, and definitely it will be a job oriented. So after completing this course, anyone can start their career as a junior Java developer, or they can start learning Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python, and they can land a job very quick within 4 to 6 months. Okay, for Selenium with Java and Selenium with Python, you can just go to our channel 21 Minute School and you will find a lot of tutorials on Selenium with Java and Selenium with Python. So in the very first tutorial, we learn how to install Java into our computer. And in the second tutorial, we learn how to download and install Eclipse IDE. Now, what courses do we offer? We offer graphic design, English for Life, WordPress web design, complete web development course, understanding technology, those who are new to technology world, Java, Python, and JavaScript programming, Selenium WebDriver with Java and Python, and cybersecurity and ethical hacking. We have a couple of instructors on these topics. I mainly teach Selenium with Java and Python. I do teach Java, Python, and JavaScript programming, and also web design and development. Let's be introduced to each other. Please tell your name in the comment section. Where are you from? What are you doing right now? What do you love to do? And why are you here? What is your expectation? Me personally, lifelong learner, freelance teacher, writer, and lyricist. I'm web programmer, web designer, and developer, software development engineer in test. I'm super excited to be here with you to share my learning experience. I'm from New York, USA. I'm freelance teacher, software developer, software development engineer in test, Selenium, and with Python. I love reading, writing, teaching, designing, and developing. Here to learn and share some tech skills. Welcome to Java. What is Java? Java is a complete programming language created in 1995. More than 3 billion devices run on Java. Java is owned by Oracle. It's open source. That means it's free, run on almost all operating systems. Why the Java is used for? Java is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web servers and application servers, games development, database connection, and much more. Why we use Java? Excuse me. We use Java because Java works on different platforms on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It's an open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support, tens of millions of developers. How to start learning? Install Java on your computer. Some PCs might have Java already installed. To check if you have Java installed on your PC, search in the start bar for Java and type the following command prompt cmd java test version. Please check the first tutorial and follow it. How to set up on Windows? You can check the first tutorial and just follow it. Java Quick Start. In Java, every application begins with a class name. What is class? Class is nothing but a template, a blueprint, a design based on what we create the object. And that class must match the file name. Let's create our first Java file called myclass.java, which can be done in any text editor like Notepad, or you can do it on Eclipse IDE or Java IntelliJ. The file should contain hello world message, which is written in the following code. myclass.java public class, this is name, okay? Then a curly braces, ends with another curly braces. Then inside the class, there is a main method, public static void main string, then square bracket args means arguments, then curly braces, and inside here in the main we write our codes. System.out println inside the parenthesis hello world, this is our code, and system.out println prints our statements or output. Let's see how we can do it. Let me open a text editor. Where is text editor? I can take Notepad, simply Notepad. Okay, then I just write public class and class name is my class. All right, and then curly braces. This is class name and this is class. Okay, and I told you class is a template, a blueprint, a design based on what we create our object. Okay, fine. Now I'll go one step down, then I write, or I can come here, public excuse me, static void, and don't worry about it, we will come to know step by step what are this. Okay, just follow me. I write public static void main, and I write string, then square braces, then args, okay, then parenthesis and another curly braces, and we write all computer code or programming inside the main method. Okay, now I just write system dot out dot print ln and a parenthesis, and we always terminate with semicolon. So in Java, after each and every code, we terminate the codes or programs with a semicolon, and inside it we will write hello world. So this is our first programming. All right, and if I want, what I can do, I can make the font little uh, smaller. I can go to format, then font, and it's 48. I make it 36, and we are fine. Okay, now I can also print several statements. Okay, so I can write system dot out print ln hello world, or I can say Java is easy. I can write again system dot out dot print ln I love Java, and it is not print, it's print. Okay, so now I will save it into a file. Save as, and I can go to a new folder where the desktop, and I create a new folder, Java step by step. Okay, then I just put the file name here. So my class dot Java. Since it is Java programming, you will write dot Java, and I just save it. All right, now we have saved the file. And what we can do, we can go to our file Java step by step where Java step by step. Uh, it's here somewhere, but we can right here. I keep it here. Then I just double click and I can see Java step by step. The folder is empty. It should not. Okay, let me refresh. Refresh. It's not. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Java step by step. Okay, let's save it again. Save as my class dot Java, and we are going to Java step by step. Okay, dot Java. It's going to desktop. I think it's now there. Yes. Now what we can do, I close it. I just go to CMD, and before I go to CMD, what I can do, I can go to the file name and take the file path. So I click here and take this path, copy, then I just write CD and the file path, and I click enter. Then I write Java C is Java compiler, and write my class dot Java. And we see there is an error. Okay, what error? Interface or non-expected public class. Okay, we made mistake. So we go back and write it as class, not class, class. Okay, and save it again. Save. Now it should be working. Again, we will write Java C, means Java compiler, and my class dot Java. All right. Now we will just write Java and my class dot Java, and it's going to run. Oh my goodness, it's not running. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, let's again write Java C and write my class dot Java. Then I just write Java my class, and I see hello world. Spelling mistake, no problem. Java is easy. I love Java. Okay, thus we can start learning our Java programming. Wish you all the best. See you in the next lecture.